vlogs yan. SMTV Travels. Subscribe na!
Ayan, i-full watch po ito, sis, my channel. Yung pansit bihon mo, delicious. I-full watch po ito. Ako yung magpapaalam na at mag-e-end na po. Ayan, thank you so much sa lahat po na pumasok sa aking live. Maraming salamat, sis Pinky Vlog, sa yung blessings. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sir Karaya, Sir Noy. Thank you sa patambay po. Thank you so much, Sis Sunrise, Sis Rosette, Ate Hyde, Sir Noy, Gina Ramos. Thank you sa lahat po na pumasok dito po. Si Patty's Word, thank you so much. Si Vlog, Sis Rose Color, si Happy Mix, Genji Vlog, thank you so much. Ako si Jones, thank you. Sis Nits, thank you. Sis QTA, thank you so much. Sir Mati, thank you so much. Sir Fox, Sir Liam, thank you so much. Sis All About, thank you. Sir GPC, Sir Sis Caps, thank you so much. Sir Marvin, thank you. Sis Winnie, Sis Roseanne, thank you. Sir Breadwinner, thank you so much. Sis Meryl, si Meryl pala, hindi ko pa na ipin. I-watch na lang kita, Sis Meryl. My channel, thank you, Sir AC, Sis Eden, Sis Pinain Aussie, Sis Roma, Sis Trixie, Sir Sandy, thank you so much. Ate Junet, thank you. Sir RC, Sis Christy, Sir Alex, Sir Laudin, thank you. Sir Willie Boy, thank you so much. Bye-bye na po sa inyong lahat. Heart for everyone. I love you all, guys. God bless us all. Maraming salamat po. I-full watch ko ito, my channel. Thank you. At saka si Meryl, hindi pala naisabit. Mag-watch na lang ako,